data handling. That means how to handle the data. So now the question is, what is data? Data is a collection of numerical figures which gives particular type of information. That means basically numerical figure means numbers. So data is a collection of numbers which gives particular type of information. That means in order to gather the information we need numerical figures, that means numbers. For example, if we are going to collect the height of 4 players in a school, their heights are 155, 148, 161, 155. That means I have collected the data. I have collected the height of 4 players, and the information which I got, that is in the form of numerical figures, that means numbers. So now the second definition is observation. Each numerical figure in our data is called an observation. That means I have gathered this data. This data is having the numbers or numerical figures. So each number in the data is known as observation. This is also observation, this is also observation, and these two are also observations. So now the next definition is frequency. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. That means if the observation is coming 1 time or 2 times or 3 times, that is known as frequency. For example, in this data, 155 is repeating 2 times. So it means frequency of 155 is 2. Next, we are going to discuss mean or arithmetic mean or average. We can take any one name. All the 3 names are same. Mean is what? Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Observations, as already we have discussed, we have to take their sum. Sum means we have to add all. And number of observations, that means we have to count them, how many observations are there. So now the next definition is range. The difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation. So its formula is range is equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. Now we are going to use these two formulas in our questions. So our first question is, organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Tabular form means we have to represent the data in the table. So these are the marks of the students. So we'll make 3 columns. First is marks, second is tally marks, and third is frequency. Now we are going to find the lowest marks. Lowest marks is 1. After 1 it is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and similarly 7, 8 and 9. So now, if we are going to see here, 1 is coming how many times? 1. So in tally marks, we'll put this, and the frequency is 1. Similarly for 2, here the 2 is coming how many times? 1 time and 2 time. So in the tally marks, again 2 marks we have to put, and here the frequency is 2. Similarly for 3, we get 1. For 4, we get 3. For 5, we get 5. For 6 marks, 4 times because it is coming 1 time, then 2 times, then 3 times, and then 4 times. So we are going to put how many tally marks here? 4, and the frequency is 4. Similarly, 7 is coming 2 times, 8 is coming 1 time, and 9 is coming 1 time. So in this way, we are going to represent the data in the tabular form. So now the next question is, which number is highest? So that means out of these marks, we know that 9 is the highest mark, so our answer is 9. Which number is the lowest? That means lowest marks is 1. What is the range of the data? As we know the formula, range is equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. So our Answer is highest observation means highest marks, which we have written 9, then minus sign, then lowest observation means lowest marks, so which is 1, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So now the next question is find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. As we have already done, whole numbers means the numbers which are starting from 0. So first 5 whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In counting we have to take first 5. So we'll start from 0 and we'll stop at 4. Then we have done the formula for mean. Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So we are going to add all these 5 values 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then number of observation in counting these observations are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll write here 5. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So we'll write here 10, 10 divided by 5 we get 2. So now the next question is the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follow. So these are the heights of 10 girls. Now the first question is what is the height of the tallest girl? That means we get our answer 151 centimeter. What is the height of the shortest girl? That means out of these all, the shortest height is 128 centimeter. Next is what is the range of the data? Range, as we know that, highest value minus lowest value, or we can say that highest observation in the data is 151 and the lowest observation in the data is 128. So our answer is 151 minus 128, that is 23 centimeter. Now the next part is what is the mean height of the girls? Mean, again we have to use the formula. It is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add these all observations, and in order to find the number of observations we have to count them. First observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, fifth observation, sixth observation, seventh observation, eighth observation, ninth observation and 10th observation. So now what I have done here, I have added all the observations and the number of observations are 10. So when we have to add all of them, we will get 1414 divided by 10 and our answer is 141.4 centimeter. Now the last question is how many girls have the heights more than mean height? It means how many girls are there whose height is more than mean height. Mean height means 141.4 and we have to find the height which is greater than 141.4. So now let us come to the data once again. So we are having this first value which is greater than 141.4. This is the second observation which is greater than 141.4. This is the third observation which is greater than 141.4. And this is the fourth observation which is greater than 141.4. And this is the fifth observation greater than 141.4. That means there are total 5 girls whose height is more than mean.